So Handbrake actually keeps on updating, and you may want to have the latest version of Handbrake. So if you want to go ahead and update out your software, it's quite easy. You can simply go around on to help and then go for check for updates, and then you get the preferences menu right here. If I were to go around over here onto tools, onto preferences, then over here you can go to updates as well. And all you need to do right here is check for updates, and it says a new update is available. So now if you want to download and install it, simply go ahead and click on download update and wait for it to be downloaded just like this. But it says before encoding, updating, it says have no pending encodes in the queue, and make sure there's a backup of any custom presets. Otherwise, it may not be compatible with the newer versions. But anyways, I have nothing at set, so I'm just going to go ahead and download it out right here, and it's almost complete, as you can see right here, just like this. So now the update is downloaded. And then you can simply go ahead right here and then continue out right here to go ahead on with the installation. So once it's downloaded, it'll prompt you to install it out right here, just like this. So the old version will be removed right here, just like this, and you get the new version that you need to go ahead and install out again. And that is what you have. So now you can simply go ahead and create a desktop shortcut as you want right here, and then go ahead, and then as you open up Handbrake now, it will prompt you to again download and install the desktop, the .NET runtime for the application. So you simply need to go ahead and do that and download that out. So now once the browser opens, you can see that it simply downloads out the runtime. So let's just go ahead and open it up because it's already downloaded. And then you need to go ahead and install this out as well. So you get the user account control, so you need to go ahead and say yes for that, just like that. And then what happens is that the runtime will be installed as well. So once that is done right here, just like this, so you need to go ahead and wait for a bit, and then it says the installation is successful. So now if you were to go ahead and open up Handbrake, it'll go ahead and load up the new version of the Handbrake right here, just like this. And that is how you can check for updates and then install the new version if it is available inside of Handbrake. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.